Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Namar ke Jingjia Mukroh ke Sorkar jela kala Pynsangeh na uswa sipor ya Baroh ki Tamasa ki bala thmu ban pelong hakini ki khendiat singi banwan kinthop ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival ya kani la penpana do menteri rangba ke jela u konrad kongkal sangma ha ke jinga keren jongu shakila pathai kubor laban kedo ba kham menchua la penpana ba ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival on sedang ha ka arpsau turik unawiang araja arpuar henrei menta la Pynsangeh na uswa.
The state government has decided to cancel all official festivals, including the Cherry Blossom Festival. An ex gratia compensation of Rs 5 lakhs each to the next of kin of the deceased shall be released. The Cabinet will be meeting today in the evening at 5:30 to take and decide on the next course of action which the Government of Meghalaya will take in respect to this particular incident that took place. At this point in time, I would like to appeal to all the citizens of the state to pray for the departed souls and especially for the families who have lost their loved ones. I would also like to appeal to the citizens of the state to maintain peace and harmony in the state. The state government is taking all steps necessary to ensure that law and order is maintained in the state. We also would like to pray for all those families, especially, who have lost their loved ones